Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia, and I am so excited for today's video, which of course features Soultanicals. Don't judge me until you have tried Soultanicals. This is my hair journey. I am chronicling what works for me. I'm chronicling what I would actually do if I wasn't filming myself. So I'm not really catering to an audience, but just really trying to be as authentic in my journey as possible and just sharing it. So Soultanicals had an anniversary event. Was it their 10th anniversary? I believe they had like an amazing looking event in Brooklyn where they had the exclusive Brooklyn Souldega Box for fly girls with round the way curls, and I wanted to be a fly girl with round the way curls. I wanted to be there. I wanted these products. Oh my god. After the party, they surprised us all with the box that I just showed you, the Brooklyn Souldega Box, very limited quantities. Oh my god, the moment I got that email, I hopped in, I bought my box. I totally forgot that I had a coupon code for 15% off, so I didn't get my 15% off, but that's okay. That's okay, because these are the 3 fabulous products in the box, and they are the Do or Dry Bed-Stuy Brooklyn Floss Gloss Boss, Flatbush Twist Demeanors. Oh, I'm so excited to try these products out. I have washed my hair and I have mask treated my hair with Soultanicals. Those are the previous 2 videos, which you can pretty much view on my page or in my playlist here. So since I have washed my hair and mask treated my hair, it's time to style my hair. And before I go ahead and use a styler, I always moisturize my hair with the lock method. LOC. L stands for liquid or leave-in, O stands for oil, C stands for cream, meaning that I pretty much go into my hair with those products in that order. So I go in with a leave-in, I follow it up with an oil, and then I follow it up with a cream. And so of course my leave-in for today is the Do or Dry Bed-Stuy. I have so been itching to try this. I can't even begin to tell you. Ooh, total easy flow. Out the bottle. I'm gonna definitely have to go in with more. Ooh, so silky feeling. Oh, feels amazing. Ooh, it just smells creamy. What does it smell like? I can't quite make out the scent. Let me apply and I'll be right back. I definitely need to go in with more, but it is so nice, slippy and silken. It's like this beautiful silken covering to my hair. I have very high porosity, very high need hair, so I need to apply quite a bit and feel that nice sound in my hair. That's when I know my hair has had the amount of leave-in that it needs. I can't quite make out the scent, but it smells amazing. I went out with a lot, so I think this should cover the rest of my hair. I'm gonna flip again. I had to apply a little bit of water because if my hair isn't wet enough, then it feels like I have to keep piling on the product, and it's not always the product that needs to be added in. So if I have the right amount of dampness, wetness to my hair, then I can feel the product better, and this feels really good. It felt a little dry before, and when I added a little more water, because my hair being high porosity sitting here talking to the camera, it starts to dry really fast. It needed more of a water base. Do you hear that sound? Once I hear that sound, I know that my hair has enough. I'm going to go ahead and add my oil, add my cream, style my hair, and then we'll be back to continue with the rest of the product. Let's see how it's looking. I'm having such a great hair day, if I may say so myself. The styler that I review in the upcoming video, I'm not going to mention it, so you can stay tuned for that, was incredible. And that paired with this leave-in, my hair feels so soft. I'm ready to move on, but before I do, I have to say that I'm not quite sure how I would use the Flatbush Twist Demeanors on my hair, because it seems to be mainly for locks and twist outs, etc. Not necessarily much to go on for wash and goes. It did say that you can use it for scalp conditioning treatment. I don't know how you do that, but I would think that if I'm going to do my deep conditioning treatment, I would massage this onto the scalp and then rinse it out. So maybe I'll try that next time, but given the stage that I'm in with my hair and I didn't think of it, but this smells incredible, and when you touch it, it is so silken and so smooth. So this one is a question to you, SoulFam. How do you use it? And I mean, I'm realistic. Sometimes something is just not meant for my hair. I think you can also use it as a body butter. So maybe I'll use it that way. Let me know. So next up is the Brooklyn Floss Gloss Boss. I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to use it. I think it says you can spray onto wet or dry hair, and it's to give it some shine and sheen. I like to cap off my wash days basically with like a finishing oil. So that's how I'm going to be using it. Can't wait to see how this smells. It's a straight shooting spray. Put a lot, but that's fine. Ooh, super nice and smooth and silken. It's a sweet blend of oils. So let me apply. Feels really good. I'm even gonna massage it into the scalp, But this is pretty much how I finish off my wash days. I can't see what I'm doing because I don't have the camera in selfie mode, but I pretty much go in, I try to fluff out my hair, normally upside down, and then also just with the oil in my hands, use it to separate my curls. There we go. I love how it feels. I love the result. But before talking too much in this video, I'm gonna give it a week. I like to test my leave-ins for the wash cycle, meaning that every day I go back in and I refresh my hair with my water and aloe vera juice mix. I go in with the lock method, which means that I'll be using my leave-in every day. And maybe I style, maybe I don't, but I diffuse. So let's give it this wash cycle and see how I do. And the verdict is... woo! And this is day 7. Oh my god, I got so dizzy. I think it's day 7. I think I'm on day 7. And I'm checking back in for these 3 beautiful products from the Souldega box. I'm almost out of the do or dry bed style, but mainly because the styler that I've been using, and you can catch up and learn more about that in my upcoming video. It's been quite the interesting experience with that styler, but for the most part, it's been a little drying on the hair, which has meant that I've gone in with a ton of leave-in. So I don't think it's because you really need to use a lot of this, but mainly because my hair really needed a lot of moisture, and this did the trick. It delivered. It really detangled my hair, because when I was refreshing my hair because of the styler that I've been using, my hair was a little drier than usual and really needed the moisture. It was stiffer, so I needed to really soften my hair up before I managed it or tackled it in any way, shape, or form, and this did an amazing job. I have really enjoyed it, even though I'm almost out of it. But I highly recommend it. If you get your hands on it, if they bring it back, go for it. It's a good one. The slip has been phenomenal and key to managing my hair in this wash cycle. So in a normal wash cycle where the products that you're using are all amazing and doing what your hair needs done, I think a little will go a long way with this. I haven't really used the Flatbush Twist Aminer. I did test it out on my skin and it felt incredible. So I might be putting it all over my body and actually using it as a body butter. And I feel that when you put it on, it feels in the beginning like, oh, is it greasy? Is it gonna go in? But it gets absorbed pretty well by the skin. And for me, the bonus is the scent. The scent is delicious. Delicious. To smell like this, a fruit lover's dream. I don't know if it's fruity. I really don't. I don't. It's just sweet, yummy, and makes the skin super soft. So that's how my experience with it has been on the skin. But I really do want to know, this is my question to you guys, the few viewers that watch my videos, if you know how to use this beyond twist outs and braid outs, etc., because I don't do that with my looser texture. But if there's any other ways to use it, let me know, because I do want to know more about it. I'm going to abstain from using it for now in case I do get proper suggestions coming in. I have a lot to learn and I do want to learn how to use this. But I feel that if you do twists and braid outs, etc., I feel that this would probably be bomb, because it's Soultanicals and it smells delicious and everything from Soultanicals is bomb. The last product in the lineup, the Brooklyn Floss Gloss Boss. Oh my god, the scent of the products in this line is incredible, and this is so yummy. It's one stream, but it's an oil, so I don't feel like you need a mist. Unless you've been expecting to spray it on, then this is how I've been doing it. I finish off my hair just like that, like I did before, and then I take my time going through my curls and separating them and fluffing out my hair. I really haven't been picking my hair with picks recently. Just going in with my hands has been enough, and I really feel like it looks amazing. And look at the healing of my hair. I can actually do this. Wow. My hair used to be so broken in the back that I could not have done that, and I used to watch videos of chicks on Instagram and YouTube doing this. I'm like, man, I can't do that with my hair, but it gets better. And Soultanicals has been an integral part of my journey, which is why I've been super excited that I got my hands on the Souldega box. I don't know when it'll be available again, if it'll be available again, but if it is and you get a chance to nab one or all of these products, do it. I highly recommend it. And that's it in this leg of the journey. Stay tuned, because you know there's going to be tons more Soultanicals coming your way. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more. See you in the next one. Ciao for now.